there, right? Then this is A. That one is vibrating. There. There. Now we're going for G. But we're gonna silence one of them. I'm gonna silence the right
you're
one.
putting the other one inside.
So now it's left this one. So you make sure you grab the right one, which is this one. We're going for G.